Hello, welcome to the LaTeX learning series. In this video, I am going to describe some arrangement in tabular environment containing bold text of tables heading, caption of table, left justified column, centered, right justified column, partial horizontal line between different columns, vertical spacing, horizontal line, width specification. So let's start. In my previous video, I have described about the simple table. Now look at the simple table. Here firstly we need to bold the headings. This is the simple table of COVID-19 of yesterday's data. So we have to enter the bold letters of its first row and first column, provinces, cases. So the command for this, say within curly brackets slash text bf slash text bf and bracket close, curly brackets slash text bf and closed. I am doing this for all the first row and the first column because my data of the COVID-19 is in the two-way. The one set of brackets is for the command for bolding your text, and the other set of brackets is for the word or text you have to get in bold. Okay, now compile it and check. There is an error because one bracket is not there. So now check it. Provinces, confirmed cases, active cases, deaths and recoveries are in bold letters. Secondly, you have to add the caption by the command slash caption right before the centering command slash caption within curly brackets. My table name is COVID-19 with and close curly brackets. This is the caption showing the name of the table in the document. And thirdly, if you want the data in the left aligned, then used the L. Here this L left aligned. This is all my data is left aligned. Now you can also have your data in right aligned or centered. Now let's check our data. For right aligned, we have to type R and compile and check it. You can see first column and second column are right aligned. Right from right side these are equal, and from other side these are not equal, and the other columns are left aligned because we use L command. And the third option is C for centered. You can have centrally aligned. Now column third and 4 are centered aligned. You can check it. Right aligned, centered and centered aligned, and the last column is left aligned. Okay. Other thing, if you want a partial horizontal line between different columns, say for example between the column C and 5, we have add slash C line within curly brackets 2-5. This will give us the partial horizontal line between the other last 4 columns. And we can add it another place by giving the command /cline 3 to 5. This will create a partial horizontal line between last 3 columns. Now the ex command produces the vertical spacing between the lines, and 0.5 ex and 1 ex will produce spacing between lines. Say for example, within square brackets 0.5 ex, and after that, after the double slash, within square brackets 1 ex, put here 1 ex. This will create a space between the lines, and your table will look pretty good. Now compile it and check the spacing of the table. This table is now looks pretty good. Now the last thing is the width specification, and the width specification is an important point in making tables. So suppose you want a stretched column, then add, here you have to add 5 centimeter p 5 centimeter. So you can add by this way. Within curly brackets 5 cm, look at this. You can add horizontal lines. The command hline puts the horizontal lines in the table /hline. If you want double horizontal line, then again type /hline for the border of the table. /hline, and we want double hline here. And in the end of the table you can also have a horizontal line, so put the /hline command. Also the vertical lines can be put in the table by vertical line here. So that you can have horizontal and vertical lines of the table. So this is the table of COVID-19 of yesterday's data.
Hello friends, please like and subscribe and share our videos. Thank you. Bye bye.